Hello my dear friends, welcome back to your channel We Design Beauty. In today's video, I will show you super easy latest 10 DIY bracelet ideas. So let's start. Take the thread, wrap it all around. Now at both the open ends, put a knot with woolen thread. Take the button and put the woolen thread into it. Now with this thread, make a knot at the open ends. Now cut the excess woolen thread. Now again take the thread and at both the sides make a knot. Now after this, make a bow shape and tie at the middle. Make a knot with this thread. Now cut the excess thread. Now it's looking like a bow and it's colorful, ready to wear. Now take the woolen thread of 3 colors. Make the knot at the end by putting your fingers inside. Now take these threads and make a braid. Now when it's done, secure it with a knot. Now it's done and secure it with a knot. Now take the 2 thread and put the button into 1 thread. After putting this button, again make a knot. Cut the excess thread out. Now you can close it as you wish. Now next one is cut out the 4 threads of same size. Take the 4 pearls and put the thread into it. Now take all the bangles and make a knot. Now cut the excess thread and your all the 4 bangles are now compactly arranged. Now it's ready to wear. Now take the 4 buttons of any of your choice and put the woolen thread into it like this. You can take as many as buttons as you wish. You can also Make all the buttons close to each other by dragging it. It's looking awesome. Now take a yellow ribbon and cut out the heart from any of your denim jeans. Take a sticker of yellow color and paste it by using the fabric glue. Now again put the fabric glue on your ribbon and stick this. Now it's ready to wear. Now taking the white ribbon and nail paints of your choice. Swipe the nail paints over your ribbon. You can take many colors as you want. You can take different colors to make it more colorful. And now it's ready. Now take the woolen thread of color as you wish for, or you can take the rubber band. Now put your hair beads over your ribbons to make it more colorful. Put the beads all along your ribbon or the rubber band you are taking. Now it's ready to wear colorful bracelet. Now take the red ribbon and a permanent marker. You can write the name of your friend or the message you want to give over your bracelet. Now write the name or any message you want to give. Voila, it's done. Now take the two ribbons of different colors, put it into this flower. And now this is looking colorful and beautiful. This is ready to wear. Now take the fabric paint and earbud. Now dip the earbud and make the design as you want. You can make any of the designs as you wish for. You can also use different colors to make it more colorful. Now it's ready to wear. Friends, hope you all like this super easy and colorful DIY bracelet ideas. So guys, if you enjoyed watching this video, then don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and also share it with your loved ones. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.